Hey, what's up? It's Gus and Jeff again with more Heavy Rain videos.
I don't ever buy that you're excited.
I'm always excited.
No. It's so disingenuous. Okay, what are we doing? Got to remember?
We've got to remember.
What do we have to remember?
You are recounting the story of your son's disappearance to the police.
Where did he disappear from?
The park. Right, I remember our last video. With the
Is it when we were playing
right
and
after
stuff?
that, yeah.
Fuck, dude.
So you got to remember the time he disappeared, the coat he was wearing, the color of the coat he was wearing, the color of the pants he was wearing.
Oh, right. You fucked up on the pants, didn't you?
I did. The pants look black. They're actually green.
That's bullshit.
So he disappeared at 4:15, wearing a beige coat and green pants. I swear to God, those pants look fucking black.
No, you showed me a screenshot. They look
I had
black
to
me
replay
too.
the game to get to this point, to choose green.
How much longer? How much did you have to replay to get to it?
It took a couple hours.
Oh my god, that's
It
horrible.
sucked.
Also, you can incorrectly identify his pants as green.
What?
Who's
Yeah.
this dickhead?
Oh, that's the detective that's investigating.
Detective asshole.
Detective,
Like it.
I don't remember. Blake?
He's not gonna find your kid. You're gonna have to do it on your own.
You damn right. Vigilante justice. It's the only way
That's right.
get things done. Got to remember. There it is. Bronze trophy.
Really?
All right. That was easy, right?
Well, the second time around, yeah, it sounded really easy.
All right. Thanks for watching.